Yes, you are correct. Sumproduct function has more functionality than Sumifs function. While the Sumifs function calculates the sum of cells that meet multiple conditions, the Sumproduct function allows you to calculate the sum of products of two or more ranges. Therefore, the Sumproduct function can be used for a wider range of tasks. For example, if you have product names in column A, sales quantities in column B, regions in column C, and sales amounts in column D, you can use the Sumproduct function to calculate the total sales amount for Samsung Electronics products sold in the Seoul region as follows: Sumproduct BB, CC, DD. However, with the Sumifs function, you can only calculate the sum of cells that meet the conditions, such as the total quantity of Samsung Electronics products sold in the Seoul region. It cannot calculate the total sales amount. Therefore, the Sumproduct function is needed for this particular calculation. In summary, the Sumproduct function has more capabilities than the Sumifs function, allowing for a wider range of calculations and operations. Yes, that's correct. You can use the Sumproduct function to achieve the same result as the Sumifs function. For example, if you have product names in column A, sales quantities in column B, and regions in column C, you can calculate the sum of cells where the product is Samsung Electronics and the region is Seoul, using the following formula: Sumproduct Samsung Electronics, CC, Seoul. This formula multiplies two arrays, each containing a logical expression that checks the conditions, and then calculates the sum of the resulting array. Therefore, this formula will give you the same result as the Sumifs function. While the Sumproduct function has more functionality than the Sumifs function, making it suitable for a wider range of tasks, the Sumifs function is generally easier to understand and use for simpler operations. I apologize for the confusion. You are correct. The formula, Sumproduct AA, Samsung Electronics, CC, Seoul, BB, will indeed calculate the count of cells where column A contains Samsung Electronics, and column B meets the condition for Seoul, as you mentioned. The Sumproduct function allows you to multiply arrays of conditions and calculate the sum of the resulting array, making it possible to perform calculations with multiple conditions, just like the Sumifs function. Furthermore, unlike the Sumifs function, the Sumproduct function can also handle conditions involving greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. Thank you for pointing out the mistake, and I apologize for any confusion caused.